on our way back from Murchison Falls.
We stopped off at the side of the road and we were looking at drums and stuff like that. And then
we were talking to some kids, taking pictures with some kids, and they were dressed in like really raggedy clothes and they didn't look good.
And all the lost and lonely, and all the thieves will come confess.
We wanted to see them all and stuff like that. And then this man came over with his kid and
A little girl dressed like she was ready for a wedding. Looked very
She
nice.
was probably like around like 7 or 8.
you could smell the alcohol on his breath.
On to say how her home is bad, her mom abused her.
She needs an education and stuff.
He was trying to sell her, so he sold her for anything. Didn't matter what it was.
So in the beginning I didn't really understand that she was being sold to us, but after
It really opened my eyes to know like what really goes on in the world,
It
because
really makes you think how broken this world is, and it really made me sad.
And all I feel unworthy, and all who hurt with nothing left.
whole story. And then so we read Psalm 139, which basically says that God's always going to be there for us. He's always going to like be in our lives, and He'll watch over us and protect us, and He knows everything about us. So,
Oh Lord, you've searched me and you know me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. You discern my going out and my lying down, and you are familiar with all of my ways. And before a word is on my tongue, you know it completely. You hem me in behind and before, and you have laid your hand upon me. And such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too lofty for me to attain. So, where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to the heavens, you're there. If I make my bed in the depths, you're there too. Or if I rise on the wings of the dawn or settle away on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me. Your right hand will hold me fast. But if I say, surely the darkness will hide me and the light become night around me, even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will shine like the day, for darkness is as light to you. For you created my inmost being, and you knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you, O God, for I'm fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, and I know that full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place. When I was woven together in the depths of the earth, your eyes saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to me. How precious are your thoughts about me, O God. How vast is the sum of them. And if I were to count them, they would outnumber the grains of the sand. Search me, O God, and know my heart. Test me and know my anxious thoughts. And see if there's any offensive way in me. And lead me in the way everlasting.
No matter what happens to that girl, that God will always be with her and has a plan for her.
Created this girl and all of us perfectly happy.
no matter where she goes, He's always going to be there for her and protect her. As we were driving back, there was a rainbow in the sky, and I think it was a sign from God, kind of just saying that she's going to be okay, she'll be taken care of. Like, it's basically just like God saying He's there for us, He's there for this girl, and He's going to be there.
Surrounded by your grace, all my fears swept away
in the light of your embrace, where your love is all I need.
The last 2 have seen that. Changed my life. I think that we're like called to help because God has given us all that we have.
That we can help in that situation.
The story's not done because we're going to change it.
No